Okay, this is my testimony for joining VBS. Okay, this is my t-shirt. Okay, this is me. Back to work. Okay. At first, when I signed up to join to be a volunteer for VBS, I thought I'll be helping the church, helping the children to learn about God and give them a good time, let them have fun. Turns out, I have the most fun. I learned the most from the kids. They have so much love. In this 5 days, I try to do what I can. I thought God had given me this talent to be with kids, but turns out no, because God only gave me talent to be happy with easy kids. But once you have a slightly more difficult kid, there's a real test on you. It's like God testing do I have the patience? Do I have the love for them? And apparently I don't. So I was in trouble. There was one day I was arguing with one of my kids, and I have to send him to the calming room quite often. I need help from other crew leaders. So it wasn't very nice. I don't think I was a good testimony for any other crew leaders or the younger crew leaders. So I didn't do a very good job. But from there I learned how kids, they love you more than you love them. And I also learned how the older crew leaders, they are very mature. I see that they grew up from Christian. They grew up, from church in Christ, in Christian schools. They are mostly calm. They're good leaders. They are very caring. When they see a kid just sitting at the corner crying or something, they will always come and help. They are pretty awesome. I wish my sons could be like that. Oh yeah, and the three girls and on stage, they're awesome, always smiling, keep the energy up. Pastor Brian is super awesome. Yeah. Do you want me to? Yeah, I guess that's it for now. Okay. Oh, wait. Join and help with the next VBS. Yeah.